This is it. It is the big unveil, the big unboxing of this box from YouTube. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what's inside this box. Here. Hey guys, I'm Andrew Henderson from Nomad Capitalist, and in this video, I'm going to open up the big YouTube box that came to my door the other day. It is the result of many years of us talking about what's going on in the world here at Nomad Capitalist. So without further ado, this is the box that came to my door the other day here in Malaysia. It came from the shipping department at Society Awards in Grove, Oklahoma, all the way here to Kuala Lumpur. And this is what it looks like. Now, if you watch a lot of videos on YouTube, you know that what YouTube does is they reward creators. They send out rewards to creators who reach certain milestones. And I think that's what we're going to see inside, is one of those rewards. I was never good at opening boxes. And so let's see what we got going on here. Yeah! Yeah! There we go. I never know if I'm opening the box correctly. I just attack from the first angle possible. My grandmother would be so disappointed. She always had the nice letter opener. Why don't you open your envelopes with a letter opener, Andrew, rather than opening them like a bear? So here we go. I've opened the box, and this is Nomad Capitalist's silver play button commemorating 100,000 subscribers. And I want to thank all of our loyal subscribers over the years for supporting us and getting us to this point. Now, we're a couple months later, maybe 1 or 2 months later than we might have been had we been in the United States, because not only were we not exactly sure if we qualified for the silver play button, but we also had to have it shipped, and so it takes a little bit longer, I guess, to ship it internationally. I'll take it out of the plastic this weekend. We can hang on the wall, so we'll have to figure out how to accommodate this on our travels around the world. But here it is, the vaunted silver play button. And now I even have a mirror, so Mrs. H will be happy. I can check my hair before I record my videos. But this is the result of 7 years of us talking together. And so I want to thank everyone in our audience for making this possible, for everyone for subscribing. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Click the subscribe button and make sure you get all of our daily videos. But it's really been a great ride from myself and from our team, and being with many of you and meeting a number of you around the world, in Istanbul, in Kuala Lumpur, in Tbilisi, in Yerevan, in Paris, all over the place. I've seen people who've come up to me, and I appreciate that. You know, what's interesting is when you get a plaque like this, when you get some kind of recognition like this, I've never been a big recognition guy. Perhaps it's that Midwestern U.S. Protestant upbringing that we talk about, where it's always winter is coming, and I've adjusted somewhat away from that as I've gotten older and accomplished more. But I've never been a big guy for recognition. I've never understood, all these award ceremonies and all these different things. I think some people, they spend a lot of their time just, patting themselves on the back. Maybe I haven't enough. But what's interesting when you do this is you look back at when you had 0 subscribers. The same way you can look back on your business, and you look at when you didn't have any revenue, and you look at the journey, and you got to tell you, occasionally it's a little bit cringeworthy to see some of the mistakes that you made along the way. But obviously those mistakes make us stronger. And I look back over these years that we've been talking. When we first started this, I had been studying the stuff we talk about at Nomad Capitalist for a number of years. I've been traveling a lot. I'd been putting a few of the things in place, but I had not really put everything in place. Part of what's been nice about talking to you guys is it keeps me accountable. And I think that's important, because having an accountability partner, staying on track, is really important. You don't get numerous passports from all around the world without putting in the effort. You don't open dozens of bank accounts around the world or have companies around the world without putting in the effort. Just as you put in the effort in our business, just as we put in the effort here at our team to accomplish this 100,000 subscriber milestone. What's really been nice for me is using this as a platform to keep me doing more and more and more. You go and talk to our research team. I'm always hounding them. What's the new opportunity? What can I go and try out? And right now, as we're all settled in our homes for a little while, it's really frustrating for me because I like to go out and try this stuff. I like to go out and do this stuff and then come back and share it with you. And so I hope there's a lot more opportunities to share new stuff that I'm doing with you. We've got a number of citizenship programs that we're working on right now, residence programs, new bank accounts, new real estate opportunities. We're going to be talking about some of that at Nomad Capitalist Live coming up, our first live conference later in the year. And we're going to be talking about some of it here on YouTube as well. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have subscribed, thank you for being a part of this silver play button. It's been quite a ride. It's crazy to look back on all these years from the first subscriber now to the 100,000th and at this point well beyond. Thanks for being part of the journey, and I look forward to a lot more sharing with you and a lot more success together. How can Nomad Capitalist help you? 4 ways. Number 1, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to make sure you get our new video every day. Number 2, get a copy of Nomad Capitalist, the book. You'll learn a lot of my personal experiences over a dozen years of studying this stuff, as well as exactly some of the strategies that you can use to build your Nomad Capitalist plan. Number 3, if you're not sure where to start, but you want to come and learn from my team and I, you want to come and mingle with like-minded people, learn more about our live conference, Nomad Capitalist Live. It's coming up soon. And number 4, if you want some help right now because you've got a burning issue, you need something solved, you want to lower your taxes, get a second passport, or build the Nomad Capitalist lifestyle of your dreams, go to nomadcapitalist.com and click on Become a Client.